name. Girl with class and bring down them mama could never dare. Could never cross path with me. Never. That alone show me say is a low class girl. If you can class your mama, you left your class anybody else in the world. Your mother, me never class my mother yet. Me hear you call your mama whore and the things them. Before me call my mama them, they suck me them, me cut off my lip. Not even when my mother is 6 feet deep. I don't even drink around my mother. The respect when me have for my mama. I can't even talk about sex around my mother because the respect me have about her. Certain things me and her now sit down and do. Certain things me and her now sit down and discuss. Certain place me and her now go. What? I had upon live I call for your mama whore and dirty girl. And then you say, I'm a troubled girl. The Bible tell you that honor your mother and your father so that your life may be longer on the earth. And it also says kids must provoke them daughter, them pitney to rot. But at this time you not honor no. Your class and bring down everything and then why you think Akeem never believe say you sit down and chat him with TikTok liar? After the boy say, oh you do your mama, your auntie, your father, everybody your class. Who is Akeem for you in a chat about then? If you can't angle your own blood will push you out so. Or wait, I fear trouble or for true. That's why me I telling you say, when you try to flip the script and you want to be this motivation, quote talk and whatever, talk it about yourself. Because up until this day, nothing me say is wrong. Akeem don't want you. Akeem show your ways and style, say him no want you. Make King tell me say him no want me. King never show me say him no want me yet. King have never shown me say him no want me yet. Him never tell me say him no want me yet. Him not show me say him no want me yet. Akeem show you multiple time. Say him will never be in a relationship with you. Him show you love as friends. Him and show you how a female should be treated by a real man. Of course, King have the same love and miss me. Me never hear Akeem tell you the same love and miss her yet. The man say him don't know what was your intention. My phone I got dead. The man say him don't know what is your intention. The man now make you feel not even the tip. You think him an idiot. The girl go look somebody you wait for that for talk to. Go look somebody dirty as you and low life like you.
Yeah, come on back. I'm saying why you switched it? You don't have emotion? What you falling out? You're emotionless?
Akeem don't want you. Akeem don't like you.
Come on, hey, come on, bro. Come on, you got it.
I'm gonna look at my man in blush. Akeem not blush for you. Huh?
Nah, he would never.
I'm gonna look at
blushing for that?
I'm gonna look at my man. I'm gonna look at my man blush. Akeem not blush for you. Akeem not kiss you. Akeem hate you and despise you and don't like you. Yeah. She said she gonna take you away from me, babe. That would never happen.
Come on. Let's be for real. This is the perfect time to use this. Hold on. Let's just be for real. No, let's just be real.
Babe, show them. Show them.
Like who? Nah, that's the face you gotta use them. Like, are you kidding me? Are you serious?
She have 6 neck. She have 6 neck and 10 chin.
I can just imagine how many Debbie cakes in that bit. So many Debbie cakes and
what?
Snacks. Hey.
You have 6 neck and 10 chin, girl. You can't come by me, dirty girl. Man love me, man love you. Man not love your rose, you're a dog bed.
She's like, I said, EBT, no God.
You over there the motivation quote like you're goody two shoe. Rosealee, I may choose to be this way. Me. You know, I have to grow with a father to get love. A whole heap of people at Jamaica grew up in a single home. Whole heap of woman and man grow up for only see them father alone and only see them mama alone and come out to be something good in their life. A lot of Jamaicans grew up with their mama alone and them a doctor, lawyer, president, vice president, teachers, attorneys, nurse. Them an entrepreneur, if I say it name, have them own car rental company and run them Airbnb place, have hairdresser place, all of these places. So you're gonna talk about how you grow up, you need love. I may choose to be that way, yeah. I may choose to be that way, yeah. When me used to grow, I love town lifestyle. I love the town living. I love how town people talk. I love how them dress. I just did love town. I'm a country girl. I sent me in my barn and grew and then go live at Ochi. I used to run her from me just for that town, for in the town lifestyle, because I love it. If you grew up in a country, you will know. People who grew up uptown always love country. Uptown people love ghetto. You never see some rich uptown girl and then they with ghetto man. Some look a rank man. And ever have some ghetto friend, them ever in a ghetto, you wonder, say, what kind of nice clean girl like you doing in a ghetto? What kind of nice clean girl like you doing in a ghetto? People who come from uptown love ghetto. Because I have one rich friend who live in Jamaica right name Noella. She love, she a beard on a ream and them places she there and she a top girl who live at Cherries and Banana Grove. Or people them own car rental place and the things them. Country girl who used to country things love town. Then one be town girl them love town and me that. I may choose for be bad. I grew up in a nice home, Rosealee, unlike you. You cannot compare me to you. Call me the downstairs, Papa. I'm downstairs. Come. Take your time and come. Take time and come. Come. Eyes. Take time and come. Take your time and come. Yeah, I grew up in a nice home, Rosealee. I grew up in a one Christian home and me bad. My mother have 5 girl pitney. One named Samantha, one named Vanessa, one named Giovanni, one named Damaya, and me a Vani. And out of the whole of my 4 sisters, them and me are the baddest one. My 4 sisters, them never get locked up yet. My 4 sisters, them never. Them don't know how jailhouse feel. Them don't know how station feel. Them don't get locked up. My 4 sisters, them, they don't know. I don't even think they know how to fight. They have never get into a fight. Never. Them not cuss with people. Them not getting in a fight. My sister, them a top girl, them. Well beloved by them teachers and friends in them nice job. They are managers. I mean, I only take a reg. No, I'm have to learn for come down. See him come down here, alright. See him there. Am I get bigger, see guys? No. Hey, no touch nothing over there. No touch nothing over there. I mean, I the only take a reg. I mean, I out of all of them got jail, get locked up, fight, thief, and do the things that me I the only take a reg. I grew up in a home where I forgot Kingdom Hall every Sunday. I don't grow up in a social media family and me do what me do for my own to get popularity. And even till this day, my sisters and my mothers do not like the internet. So when Uno come and talk about, oh, our mother hate her and our sister them hate her, say what you want, say me know my people them in a real life. So true, my mother and my sister them no ghetto like fool no one them, the people them were classmates, I should say. So for me them not ghetto like some of the people them own for come. My mother not person for come pan life come skin out her Batty. My mother another person for come pan life come chip bad word. My mother is not a person for come pan life come defend me. And my sister them worse, they are Christians. And everybody love internet. Me hate to see one young girl in an argument and her mama in the background and defend her. You're careless. You not turn people so them they are phone style and a fool style them there. Una town people are phone style them there. I mean, love how I don't know nothing about my family because I can't put them on the internet and bring them down. It's a mad no. It's a mad no. Because if you didn't know my mama, I don't know my sister them, just like I want to put up ice, I want to come out of my bed and see me and make me. Me say nothing. Hey, come here. Climb the stairs and go. Go. Me not tell you to go. Up the stairs. Me just take this friend in your room and still come there and come break it. Go up. Up. Because me have a chip out. Me say I can't touch my things then. Me say if go upstairs. Go on. Go upstairs. Me say to go upstairs. Up. Go up. Yo, Tada, go on up in your room. Hey, mash up my things them in a chat. I may have something there so when me put me something there so when me get from the tick from Amazon. We see there's something there, they clear something with the black something in there. Every minute in throw one of them upstairs. I may have it right there so and he still come and take it out and broke the stick. Just like you can put up my son and put up me every day and class me and find fault. You cannot do that with my family because you don't know nothing about them and it's a mad no. And that's why every day you hear them come up, but your people them ashamed of you, that's why you don't put them up. No baby, you could draw me out of my character for post up them. You could never draw me out of my character to post it up. Me have to respect some mother and want them on the internet. My mother is not a hooligan. You will never come on the internet come see my mother say certain things and go on like she want to defend my parent if you know when to be parent. Make my mother stay where she there. And my mother is somebody who don't pick up for me. As soon as me end the live, yeah, she probably go and call me. And say, you can't keep your mouth to yourself, you have to answer this. My mother is a person who will tell me the things as it is, but she not go come on live come tell me. She not defend me, and she not come on live come and defend me. She just not go come none tall, as some of mother stay. But don't think so when I come off a live, she not reel me up and tell me say you need to stop do that, and whatever. We not talk about all my mother do I eat, but you're supposed to take care of your mother. What? When since giving your mother money, I eat your mother eat you out. I don't know about uni, you know. I don't know what the money we uni take, what uni do with it. But my mother forget all her minds. My mother care me upon ya. As she raised me, as she send me to school, I never raised with no father. My mother do everything for me. So I get big now, whether I want to sell my soul, whether I want to sell my front, it no matter where my income come from, she forget it. Because when me grow, she me see up till today, I can still call her. And she forget my own. So don't mix me with dirty Rosealee. And don't come by my family. I come from a decent home. This is my sister and my mother. They don't even think of the family I come from. Okay, Miss Eviction. And every house when I come out and we go get evicted is better than Rosealee lifestyle. Every bed that I get evicted out, Rosealee cannot sleep in a one proper bed like that. Every house when I get evicted out, a cleaner than Rosealee lifestyle where she live in. So maybe Rosealee need to get eviction also. Margarita lift her up. Maybe she need to get some eviction too. So she can live a nice life. But Rosealee is safe for buy house. What that have to do with me? I tell you I'm a bad man a girl for house. More than you need to tell a girl for do something with her life. You can't make money and like your living condition is like that. I will never bad mind a girl. You never hear me tell a gifter don't give somebody. You never hear me tell somebody don't support somebody. Because how am I going to tell our own supporters don't support them? And that's why people don't understand. You can never tell somebody say don't support that person when them own people support them. And a hater support you know. A hater will never give a galaxy. A hater will never give a rose. And your own supporters them give you. So that's why when I see Wally in a comment section I talk about and this one support, who you ask? I'm a people them you ask that. Me, if you don't like me and I like sensation, so a sensation you ask if I this them support. Obviously, you're blind, you know, see. From how long you know I try for about cancer, Vani? You can't cancel me. But up on the internet from 2015, 14, 16, when we're in 2025 now, I got 2026. And if you're not cancel me from 2014, you're gonna cancel me in 2025? You're gonna cancel me in 2025? How you gonna cancel me? Me look like a subscription for your blood clot cancer. Me look like subscription. Me look like a data plan. Look at me download one app. Cancel who? Are you gonna cancel me? These are my grandkids, grandsons and granddaughters. Me there before them. And when me gone, me left it to them. Rosealee is my granddaughter. I was here before her and still will be. And my legacy will keep on growing. And when me gone, generation upon generation. If you cancel me, you see me do something for get cancel? I do something for get cancel, me kill a man. Food in my teeth. You see me take nobody life? You see me do the most or do some dangerous activities? What you talk about? When you don't like somebody, you just not like somebody. If a somebody what you did like and I tell Rosealee what to do, you don't agree with it. But because it's coming from a mouth that you don't like, it's a problem. The truth is the truth. Everything when I say me see it come to blood clot pass. Ace, go in your room. Because you throw away my things, you know. And I buy it on Amazon. And I don't talk to you. Go in your room. And if you go in my room, I go blatter down in this. Shot fire. Oh. Shot fire. Shot fire. Go on in your room, go watch TV. Oh. You understand? So Rosealee can't come by me. If you tell her the truth, everything must come to pass. I don't like some predict the future, but we all know it was gonna come. We analyze some can predict the future. We all know it gonna come. Me know say it gonna come. Uno know say it gonna come. And I like me first know. Uno know. But it just take a real one to come out, come talk it. If me as a slim girl when I have no fat, sit down here so and you smell my pussy, or you not smell Rosealee with all 10 belly over there where I cover. If me as a slim girl will live in a one big open area, you can see breeze that blow through. You can feel the atmosphere, but you still smell my front. And Rosealee where you only can see the weight in front of you. You don't smell she over there. So how you smell me, but you don't smell she? When you look at me, you see clean and bathed. When you look at Rosealee, you see frowns. So how you smell me, but you don't smell she? I must say good smell you talk about. I can't a dirty one. I must say good smell you talk about. I can't a dirty one. When she can't get the man, she class the man. Boy, you just prove to me that you're not straight. Akeem say I have to run you off my phone. You start class all the boy now say I'm not straight. You start to tell him say I'm not straight. So there's so many things you could have said, but you start telling him say you prove to me that you're not straight. You know, say if you're shape back girl, you really have pride. Cause like me clutch. For a girl will shape bad and stay bad and smell bad. I don't know how you're people confident for I, but I don't know how you're one so high. Cause me like in your shoes now, me hit the gym. Me like you, me hit the gym. But your confidence is so high. You know when me know say Rosealee delusional, when she said there's no better girl than she, me have to say Jesus Christ, look how Akeem get himself in her. It's like a trap soul. He might have a warm time to get Rose. He might forget put a restraining order for her. He might forget put a restraining order for her because she stick on him like glue. She can't get him can't get her off. And for sure, so the people them not love you. You have top people in your class and you still live a dirty lifestyle. Them say you can't take the dirt, the germs off. I want something there still. Yeah, talk about hot girl. Rosealee, a suit girl. You're a suit girl. Like you come from China. You're a suit girl like you come from China. Every day is jeans day for you. At school you go. Every day is jeans day, every day is cheerleading day. Like you buy all 10 jeans suit in a different style. You buy all 40 of the skirt them in a different color. You can't wear one pants because you go, you know how you go. Where my pen there? Can be that draw Rosealee. You ever see a humpback whale? You ever see a humpback whale? That's what she is, a humpback whale. Top big, bottom small. So they don't wear certain clothes. They don't see her in a jeans pants because she know she don't really so look good tonight. You know see her in a dress like this because we know that shape will never come out. So she have to in the skirt where it flare off and it rockle. And then there's something that she have in her. And you can't tell me about filter. Me a naturally pretty girl without filter. The only time when you can cuss me about filter when I have the filter on. And enough I want to meet me in real life and I know me can't see no click life is ever on the ugly in real life. Never that. Never that. The least you can say about me is my calf them tough and my lip them big. I been at here say my lip them big before me do them. I get them from school days. If I used to say bully people about school, they used to bully me about my lip. That's the only thing they used to talk about. Big lip. And my lip for come sister, them my lip here the toppest, richest girl them I buy. When I at high school, them bully me all my lip big and stay bad. And my lip for come see now in a 2025 and a couple other else years. Girl I buy them lip here for thousands of dollars. Girl I get them renew like a plan. Most big top celebrity at this them have them want my lip. Them would have cherish them lip if them get them. So you come bow me. Rosealee go sit down man. Go change over your life. And you talk about nothing wrong with my lifestyle. Me toxic, that's it. Nothing else not wrong with me. Me not trouble you unless you trouble me. Especially the little old loose girl where they chat about me. She never come about me first mood. You see people, there are things that you can prevent. Why you think they say prevention is better than cure? Why you think they say that prevention is better than cure? Certain things where you can prevent from happen, you try to prevent it from happen. But when people reply, it's a problem. I don't look upon life like how I look upon life. Let's use yesterday as an example. Mama hear me talk my business and take it up on fair head, but that's how she did feel and she start class me. But when me tell her about her kids Ivany wrong, what if she never did have nothing for blood clot say? What if she never have nothing for say? It would reach to me start tell her about her pitney again. What if she could have did inbox me? If you don't have anything bad, if you're not coming from a bad if it never mean nothing bad, like what you say, and then the views y'all look. Why you could have text me and say, Ivany, this is not a bad message, Ivany, or anything, but you remember the things that you do to my kids them? You see how it feel now? And you see me that reply back to her with something good. I would even disrespect her. But the fact that you could have clicked your live with tears in your eye and go like a you me did that talk to, that for sure you say you're fake. And people like Uno a dirty mama. Uno a good mama. I will never look upon Uno as good mama. Because no girl can run no joke with ice and me and them sit down pan live and play match. You know, careless. You will sell your soul for money. You will sell your kids them soul for money. Because money is the root of all evil. And because you need money, you play match with me for earn money. You're a dirty mama. You're a dirty mother. Not about Uno and a top good mama. Not about Uno. So I don't know what the internet I look upon about Uno, a good mother. Money I run on a life. Because if I did it class me about ice and put old picture on ice mode, she could do. They pan screen with me I play a match. Joke what on run, me no run. Even when you play a match with me, I look for you, I say, Jaja, you really play a match with me? And she said, Vanny, me and I have nothing, you know. I'm not have people for long, you know, you're dirty, mama. I look for you, you're dirty, mama. But each to its own, that's your opinion and that's your choice, You come play with me, now I go run you, but I still play with you. I still play with you, I don't ups myself in you, I just see and send a request so either way. I don't ups in you and say, D come here, go do this and D come here, go do that. I don't really ups in you like, you understand, knowing some of the class while I pick them, I don't really ups in you them time there. Like how you ups in me, like how you just see me post, you just write your spam comments. I don't even, the only time I comment on your things them was go look on the dates them and it will show you. I don't ups in no. And people class your pitney and put odd picture for your pitney face. And I you that sit down on live I play a match with them for what? Look at TikTok earnings. You could do that with me. Me run where your blood clot. Me run your way. And see it there. You allow me to do it again. So when these things happen, or if you look at me as a bad, go class the mama because the mama careless and I me careless. Because it happen one time, you make it happen 2 times, and we make it happen 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 again. Because you're careless and you love money. So you can't class the mama. Because you should have put boundaries, you should have set boundaries. And you know my mouth in a giant church. And the reason why I come after her, she come after me in a one. You know see how she come after me with tears in her eye. And I go on like a she me did do something. Huh? She can't report my man. Me have top class people in Atlanta when know how to act TikTok. Anyhow she report my mama make them hack her TikTok page. I have to go start from scratch my story from my pitney life. Mark the cross by my face. Unless I'm a man do something for get report. Anyhow she bad and make film page get take away. Rosealee and name no food on the app. You can't get a page on TikTok. All me have to do, I call my friend them. I don't know Kayla and fly them and maps them. Me and them are so. I'm just link up one of them. I have money like that when I can pay them $1,000. I make them take away your TikTok. You can't report nobody page around you. Unless I me do say something for them, my TikTok take on my page. Or unless I him do something for TikTok take a film page. You not have no peace pan it up. You would have a peace pan it up. You don't make page chill tired. So try report. Can I show you how you're bad man? You talk your story and me I talk my story. You ever hear me tell the people them go over there go report her? Me tell the people them to report you? Why am I not tell the people them to report you? Me care about where you do on your page and how much money you have. That's your business and your lifestyle. That's your income. That's your income. Why am I not tell somebody to take your page for what? Oh, I'm going to become bad man. My name Miss Eviction and your name Miss Nasty. Miss Nasty, Miss Stink, Miss Garbage Heap. That's what you name. You can't spell eviction by my name. I never get eviction from the day I'm born. If me did get eviction, where the eviction letter there? They have so much things about me. Then put out every court document with me. Where the eviction letter there? Somebody go dig it up and show me. Show me when me get eviction. Show me the letter. Show me the letter. Say, Miss Ivany Wright, you have been evicted from this property. Show me the letter when me get eviction. Show me. If I can't show proof, you can't talk to me. If you can't show me proof, you can't talk to me. Show me one letter or something say me get eviction. Yeah, and tell her to spell eviction too. Tell her spell it. Because my girl you done spot, you know. Tell her spell it. King I call me upstairs, but I own up on the live ear and me we can't hear him, not hear him. Me when I was not hear him. Somebody say call her Miss Riverton. No wonder why Riverton. Are Riverton at the place where stink? Are Riverton at the place where stink? When you go as you go down there, just stink. So Riverton Rosealee live? Riverton Rosealee live? I don't know if I find it, but I know the place. Now that's why it stinks, sir. Where she live? Sea View. See, how far Sea View there from River? I don't know them places there. No? Because Sea View one time. I don't know if I find them, but I know the name them. Next door. And then you look at Dirty Girl D she talk about. You're the first person I see me porn and come back on the internet. That's why I have Barney tell him say money. I broke like dog. That's how I can't live in my shoes, not dear. Cause I don't have brains. You see, if you did have brains, you would have beg money for your daughter go to school. You would have beg back to school things. Scroll up on her page and see how much time she come and make video about she want money for do this and want money for fix car. If you did a sell a front like mine and have knowledge and understanding and have your head space, you would have know say for rock the internet them both ways and always have multiple income coming in. And that if you know. Load fashion, she have load fashion in a Ochi. Load fashion in a Mobile, load fashion in a town, load fashion all over the different places. She have load fashion. She have a store everywhere. And she have different businesses on it. Nikki Chromas have ear things that sell. Nikki Chromas that sell wig. Nikki Chromas have Airbnb place. Nikki Chromas have car rental. Nikki Chromas have bleaching cream. Kylie Jenner them have makeup things and them do them look how show up on the thing. Rihanna is an artist and she has sell her thing them. Cardi B sell whipped cream and the thing them and she is an artist. Shensia have her merch and she is an artist. Spice have clothing brand, she's an artist. We could talk about it, no? So why am I for sell my front and still not do TikTok, still not do Twitch, still not do YouTube, still not the favorited, and still not buy lash. Natalie none of the bodies and she still tells shot clock rum them and her spliff them. Shani Muir sell wig and the things them. So why me for sell my front but not the YouTube, not the TikTok, not the Twitch and not sell my makeup things them? Girl move your non-ambitious blood clot self. I only girl me see sell things but still come on TikTok come back. Me could talk about it. Cause you say me I only girl you see the porn but still come on TikTok. Cause I only girl me see open up shop but still come on TikTok I beg. You in your shop what the life still on. You know make the money in your shop. You know make the money in your shop. Cause if me over if I'm still have to do live but your makeup shop and I sell everything but TikTok live still depend you are working in your shop. The money now making in your shop. You know argue with people and not do the same thing. You argue with people, I do the same thing. YouTube pay me. Favorited pay me. I get gift when I come on TikTok live. And if I don't do live on TikTok, I get gift from my videos with all of my 100k, 200k views. And them something them I get gift off of them. YouTube still appear. Even though my followers are 12,000 on Instagram, I'm still getting promotion because I clock 30,000 views. 30,000 people now follow me, but me I clock 30,000 views per my story. How much you clock per your story? Me could go story to story because you talk about all your pages higher than mine. And me a sensation and me have 12,000 followers. 12,000 followers, but your page is still not active as mine. You have a 300k page. Show your story post. Your post yesterday, show fear and me show for me. Show fear and me show for me. You're artist D. You're more of an artist than me and I never see up on a bookings. I do a sell front and me have bookings. Me have a booking the 28th of this month in New York, Queens. At front me sell me have a bookings October 3rd in a New York. At front me sell me have a bookings November 2nd. And talk about the ones them were gone already. And here's the artist and all. No, me not say somebody book you for come sing 1-2 song or you have good shape for come walk out. What people are book you for? And you talk about me. A different category, girl. You take care of your daughter, them. Yes, me take care of my son. Everybody have different ways of income. You do YouTube, and you take care of your kids, them. Myself front, and TikTok take care of mine. What you talk about? You come tell me about your kids, them more educated and whatever. Them after more educated, yours are older than mine. Until mine reach the age of your, we will see which one brighter if that way they want to go. Your kids, them are grown ass kids. Will walk and talk. I know this and I can take taxi and go anywhere. My one young, him can barely go up the stairs. My baby is not even 2 years old yet, him still young. Obviously, your one will be smart. I can talk and read and write and the thing and go to school. Mine young and mine is still smart. Excuse me? Excuse me? Nobody know you? Me have a sweet little boy. I know I talk about oh my baby is a... I don't want to call the word because TikTok we block if you call the word. When you don't have nothing to say on the makeup. Because watch this now. Remember from Ice Band, the only thing them used to talk about baba head. Bubble head. Them cuss me him head big. We all get immune to that. When you call to something else, you're cussing about him skin, we all get immune to that. When you talk about him clothes, them did young way my wear and oh me cut them up for you, put them on, we all get immune to that. When you class me, oh I get taken from we go to court, it never work out in our favor, we all get immune to that. When you call CPS, it no work out, when you say that now work, we all get immune to that. So the only thing now you can try is to say him not righted. I will soon all get immune to that. Because whether I'm righted or not, I still want ice pan it up. I still want baba tea. Whether I'm more righted or not, I still want baba tea. Because some of the kids cannot look like ice, can't clean like ice, can't walk like ice, cannot live like ice. From a younger age, I have to give my pitney one lifestyle what I did want. Foona pitney have to wait till I'm 16 and 13 to get them there. Some of the kids have to wait till them 16 to get them own a room. Some of the kids are sleeping in a pram and stroller same way till them 15, till them 10. Some of them don't even own a bed. The bed don't sleep on a man bed because you have to live with man. Some of the bed don't sleep on a friend yard, don't they sleep with friend. Some of the bed don't they a motel and Airbnb you have to rent out. Some of the bed don't depend on the mother by the bed and you have to move the bed. Anyway you move with your mother bed where she buy. My son fresh bed make and buy for him. My son bed buy for him. Everything we're in there buy for him. Whether I want it on Shein, Timo, it no matter where I want to get it from, it buy for him. Whether in my house want have the cheapest thing until you can show phone me I want to talk about it. Make me want to talk about it because I never know if you have expensive things in your house, you have to live good. I feel like so when a roof the over your head and you're comfortable in your own way, and that make you feel good in yourself. I never know if things are expensive for me feel comfortable. My chair them come from Shein as I said them still not brought down yet. Everywhere I move out and then I brought down. My beautiful couch can still hold many people for sleep on it. My house clean and nice and fresh with my cheap things them, cheap and clean. Remember rent due. So I can't buy the expensive things. I have to save mine for pay my rent. But you know want to come for me, but you now come for blood clot Rosealee will live in a shit pit. You now go for Rosealee where lifestyle dirty. Where Rosealee asleep on one mattress like she a Al-Qaeda, like she can't afford one good mattress. The weight of Rosealee supposed to sleep on a thick queen size. Rosealee mattress is thin like this. Very thin. Majority of my stuff them, Amazon them come from. I went since Amazon are dirty people things.